I'm here on Pinckney National Wildlife Refuge by Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, and as you can see, there are tons of native palms and other cool plants that are subtropical. Most of these palms are sable palmetto, and there's also a lot of saw palmettos, which is Serenoa repens. So there's also a ton of Spanish moss, as you can see up in these trees. I'm not necessarily sure what these trees are right here. There's a lot of live oaks, but I don't think that those are live oaks. So here's a sable palmetto, and here's a southern magnolia in habitat right here. So that's pretty cool to see. And this little park's really cool. Has like a ton of things that you would typically see somewhere in like Florida, but it's in South Carolina. Because a lot of these plants do grow north of Florida, like all these sable palmettos and stuff like that. This is actually quite close to Georgia as well, the coastal area of Georgia, that is. So look at all these, there's all these plants around that are really cool. Look at, I'm not sure, there's a whole bunch of things that I just don't know what they are. There's also a lot of cool animals too. I saw, earlier we saw an alligator just walking out in the field, and then it ran off. It kind of ran like off towards some water. So that was really cool to see. So just look at all the Spanish moss. I'll go walk around as well, show some more plants. Here's that sable palmetto again. As you can see, there's some mature ones down here, back out in the woods. And right there is actually like a little beach. So here is a mature sable palmetto. And here's that southern magnolia again. Oh yeah, this place is really cool. There's a bunch of these pines around too. I'm not sure what species they are. I don't know if there's, I think they might be slash pines. Here's a big live oak, Spanish moss. Thing's gotta be old. And here are some saw palmettos. Back here, there's a little beach. But here are the saw palmettos, and I'll take a walk back there because they're pretty cool to check out. Here they are. I haven't seen any fruit on them, so I'm not sure if I just missed it when they fruit or if it's all been like eaten and stuff. There's tons of them out here. Take a look at that. There's also a lot of wildlife, like aside from the alligator and stuff, there's snakes and all kinds of things. A lot of squirrels too. It's kind of cool seeing a squirrel in this setting. Instead of an oak forest, it's like in a palm forest. Yeah, this place is just really cool. If you ever are in the Hilton Head area in South Carolina, definitely check it out. Make sure to bring a lot of bug spray and water though. Look at all that. There's a lot of birds here too. There's like those, I think they're called like white ibis or something. But there's all kinds of, those are like out in the swamps, but there's all kinds of other birds as well. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video just to kind of show you guys a cool little park. And this goes on, this is like, goes on for, I don't know how big the actual island is, but it's a pretty big distance. Like the island is, the whole island is a refuge, wildlife refuge. So here, I'll take a quick little walk over here and show you some of this stuff. And there's like all kinds of different environments on this island. There's like obviously the whole thing's coastal. Here's another sable palmetto growing. But there's like little like areas that are just pretty much pine and saw palmetto. And there's like this coastal kind of woods right here. There's another sable palmetto. That's basically a Spanish, like everything kind of, and ground is just sand, as you can see. And then there's like swamps and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this place is really, really cool. And I would definitely check it out if you're ever in the area. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. And there will be more videos. I'll give an update on my stuff back in Virginia pretty soon as well. All right, thanks for watching.